Jack was a small boy. He was very naughty but intelligent and witty. One day Jack's mother sent him to get some fruits and vegetables. Jack bought some vegetables and then went to a fruit vendor. He bought half a kilogram of pears. But the vendor was dishonest. He was cheat and weighed 350 grams of pears only. Jack observed this and said, "These are not half kilogram of pears. These appear less." "No, they are all right, and anyway they will easy for you to carry home." Jack was a clever boy. He gave money for 350 grams of pears to the vendor. The vendor said, "I gave you half a kilogram of pears. You are giving me less money." Jack remarked, "No, the amount is correct. Besides, they will be easy for you to count and carry in your teeth." The fruit vendor was ashamed for cheating his customer.